Okay, so welcome. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to talk to you for a few minutes about reduction formulas. So these are reduction formulas that are used with tangent and secant functions. And so we see these patterns that come up over and over again that they work. And so now we've got these reduction formulas for secant and tangent integrals. Okay, so integrals involving secant and tangent, and powers of secant and tangent. So these will work for any powers of tangent and secant. So if we have this, let's say secant to the nth power of x, this is the formula that is the reduction formula. You take 1 over n minus 1 times secant to the n minus 2 power times tangent plus n minus 2 divided by n minus 1 times the integral of secant to the n minus 2 power time of x dx. Okay, and then for tangent raised to the nth power, you get this formula where it's just 1 over n minus 1 times tangent to the n minus 1 power of x minus this integral. Okay, now you may have to use the reduction formula more than once, right? Because you may get a power here that you can't integrate. So you may have to use these reduction formulas repeatedly until you get something where you can integrate. Okay? Now, the first one can be verified by using integration by parts, just like we did in the previous example. This one can be verified by using the case where the power of tangent is odd, right? And the power of secant is 0, right? So just like one of the other previous examples we used too. But this comes over and over again, and again, you may have to repeat the reduction formula more than once, okay? But these are helpful to know and memorize because they come up where now you can just go ahead and do it. But it's up to you, okay? So if you have large powers of tangent, you may want to do that. So let's do some examples.